Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Linear to Slack. Start by opening your web browser and go to the Linear website. Make sure you are already signed in to your account before moving forward. Once you are inside your Linear dashboard, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you will see the name of your workspace. Click on your workspace name to open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down list, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can control different configurations for your workspace. Now look at the menu on the left side of the settings page. Scroll through the options until you find the section called Integrations. Click on Integrations to open the Integrations panel. On this page you will see a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Slack, then press Enter on your keyboard. The Slack integration should appear in the results. Click on Slack from the list. This will open the integration page. Now click on the button labeled Enable. You will be redirected to a permission page. Here, choose the Slack workspace you want to connect with Linear. After selecting your workspace, scroll down and click on Allow. Once you complete this step, your Linear account will be successfully connected to Slack. Thanks for watching.